The RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps give you perhaps the best of both a rock slider and a side step in one slick package. These are the perfect addition to your 2005 to 2023 Tacoma Double Cab if you want some additional access to your truck's cabin with the protection and good looks of rock sliders, and they come in at a really reasonable price. Balance is important in many aspects in life, and side steps can be included in that. And the TC3 HDs we have here strike that Goldilocks type of balance between side steps and a rock rail. They've got a 3.9-inch wide step for grip and accessing the cab, but they don't have the same form factor as traditional side steps. These don't drop down as much as a traditional step or a Nerf bar, but you still get that stepping surface. And they also feature this nice open design too. That's going to help drain off water and debris, so you have a good bit of traction no matter what the conditions might be. That also means you get great access to the cabin of your truck, and if you're not all that tall like I am, a little help getting into a truck is not a bad thing, especially if you've got it lifted. However, since these don't drop down, they keep your ground clearance intact, and they tuck up close enough to the rocker panels that they're going to provide you with some serious protection out on the trail. While these are not true rock sliders, the tubular bars and the box main beams here are meant to give you lots of protection. So if you do happen to catch them on a rock or another obstacle, they should just slide right off without damaging the truck itself. And I think these look pretty cool to boot with that wide stance and the black finish. And I think they just bring a generally more aggressive look to the truck as well, so they really tick a bunch of boxes. Living up to the HD part of their name, these things are solid. They're made from a combination of steel plates and round mild steel, and they're fabricated as one piece. So as you see them here, this is exactly how they came out of the box. Now, a single welded piece makes for a very strong step, and the steel is finished off with a textured black powder coat to protect against rust and corrosion. Pricing comes in at about $325, and that makes these a really affordable option. It's a great thing to see when these steps offer so many benefits, and for something that can give you all the benefits and look this good, well, I would definitely call that a great deal. Installation is also quite straightforward, and accordingly, we're going to give these a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and you can expect the job to take you around 2 hours to complete. Everything here is designed to bolt into place using factory mounting points, so you don't need to modify anything on the truck itself, making it an easy job for you to complete at home. And we're going to walk you through the install process step by step, so for that, let's head out to the shop.
For this install, you'll need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up guys, today we're going to be installing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started.
So we're going to start off underneath our vehicle behind the pinch weld, and we're going to grab our center bracket. Now these are labeled for driver and passenger, and they're positioned front to back of the vehicle. We're going to get our 13mm bolts, lock washers and flat washers loosely in place. Once you have your first bracket in, you can do the same thing for the other two. Now we're going to install our step, so we'll line our threaded inserts up with our mounting brackets and get our provided combo bolts in place. Get those lined up. You want to get one in real quick for safety. And you can loosely install the rest of your hardware. We'll get underneath and tighten everything down.
Now we can use our 13mm socket to tighten down our hardware. Once you have these tight, you can repeat the same process for the other two brackets. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps in textured black finish for your 05 to 23 Tacoma Double Cab. Thanks for watching, and for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.